Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Bidda. In this video, we will show you how we can download latest Microsoft Office 2021 genuine version from Microsoft for free. So let's get started the video. First of all, we need to open our Chrome browser. So open it. Now type here on search box Office customization tool. After that, you will see here an official website from Microsoft. Go to this first website. Don't worry guys, I am going to also provide the same link in the description of this video, so that if you could not find this, then you can simply click on that link. Okay, now here we are going to make a Office configuration file. So first of all, select here your computer bit. Nowadays almost all laptop or desktop has 64-bit, so I'm gonna select 64 because my laptop is 64-bit. Then we have to choose here Office Suites. So there we need to click on Office LTSC Professional Plus 2021 Volume License. Then you can choose here additional products if you want, but in my case I'm going to keep all these things as it is. Then scroll down, and now you can customize your Office application package based on your requirement. Let's say you don't want some software, you can uncheck this. I'm gonna uncheck some software as my requirement. Like that you can customize this package. Now click on next. Now from here we need to select our language, so simply click on select language. I'm gonna choose English United States. Then here you can choose a secondary language if you want. I'm gonna keep this. Then click on next. Here you don't need to change anything. Click on next. Then scroll down. After that you will see upgrade option. Uninstall any MSI version of Office. Just disable it. Then scroll down and click on next. And again scroll down. Here in product key, make sure it is in KMS. Okay. Then scroll down and keep this thing same as it is. Then click on next. After that again click on next. Then scroll down and here you will see finish button. Just click on that finish button. And here above in the right side, as you can see, export option. Click on that option. Then here select Office Open XML format. Now scroll down and click on OK. After that here check mark this box, I accept term in the license agreement. Then here click on export. Now as you can see, our configuration file is downloaded. Close the Chrome browser and open your file. Go to your C drive. Here click on right button and create a new folder. Type here Office 2021. Then enter. Now go to your download folder and copy this configuration file and paste it on your Office folder. Okay. Now we need to download Office deployment tool. Again go to Chrome browser and search here Office deployment tool. After that open this first website and then download this deployment tool. Click on download. After complete download, close this browser and open your download folder. Here you can see this deployment tool. Select it and click on right button. Then click on run as administrator. Here mark it and tap on continue. Then here we need to select created Office folder. Go to this PC, then C drive and select Office 2021. Then click on OK. As you can see, deployment tool is extracted in our Office folder. Click on OK. Now open Office folder and delete this whole file without configuration and setup file, because we don't need all of this. Now minimize it and go to Windows search box and type here cmd. Then you can see here command prompt. Click on right button, then run as administrator. Now type here cd, then space. Now go to your Office folder and copy your folder address. Now open command prompt and here click on right button and go to edit, then paste it. You can also paste it by Ctrl V, then tap on enter. Before do that, make sure your internet is connected. Okay. Now type here setup/configure, then space configuration.xml. Then tap on enter. Wait for a minute. After that your download will be start. As you can see here, my Office is downloading. It will take time for full setup. It's depend on your network speed. After 30 minutes my download is completed because my network is not good enough. Now just close it and open application. I'm going to open Word. Wait for a few seconds. Friend, as you can see, now I can use all of Office application without any problem. By this way you can easily set up your Office application. So friend, if you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thanks for watching this video.